Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am very fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Gursaddeep Singh.
How may I address you?
Well, I have many nicknames. You may address me by my first name, Gursaddeep.
Where from are you?
Well, I am from a very small village, Daftriwala. It's under the province of Punjab, India.
Okay. May I see your ID, please?
Yes, sure, sir.
Thank you. Fine. Do you work or study?
Well, I recently passed out my senior secondary and now I am pursuing to crack my IELTS exam.
Very fine. So let's talk about our task 1, which is called the introductory pattern. I'll ask few questions from you. So let's talk about sports. What kind of the exercise do you do?
Well, I'm a very much fitness freak person and I love to jog every morning to keep myself very much fit and fine.
Okay. Do you think children should play regularly?
Well, definitely yes. In this modern era, children are too much fascinated by their gadgets. So to make themselves fit and fine, they should play outside.
Okay. What was the favorite game when you were a child?
Let me think. Yes. When I was a kinder, I used to play in my village playfields. I generally play football with my friends, and I love to play that.
Do you like to play extreme sports?
Yes, as I'm very much fond of incredible things, I love to play the extreme sports, and I would definitely try the scuba diving in my future.
Okay. What kind of exercise are popular in your country?
Well, in my country, every game or exercise is very popular. Generally, the people are most fond of hockey because it is also a national game of our country.
Okay. Do you love water sports?
Well, no, it is not like that. I generally prefer the sports which are on the ground only.
Very fine. So this is the end of section 1. So you spoke very well. So let's talk about cue card. It's called task 2. I'll give you one cue card and you just have only 1 minute to prepare this. And after that you will have to continue speak 2 minutes, or in between I can stop you. Is it fine?
Okay.
So here is your cue card, or even you may use this pencil. Yes. Okay, please start your topic.
Well, a man is a puppet of mistake. No one in this world is so much perfect. Making mistakes are inherent in a human behavior. So similarly, today I would like to talk about a mistake which I did. I remembered it was last year when I passed out my senior secondary, and I was in my home, and my father went to abroad for some business meetings. On one night, my father made a call to me at 2 a.m. in the morning, and I was very much shocked to saw his call. I hesitantly picked up his call, and he answered me, and he asked me that whether I could attend the business deal which was going to take place in my home country only, and I agreed with him and slept. In the next morning, I forgot everything and I was blank at what happened at the night. The meeting which was going to take place in my home country was after the 3 days. The days passed away. The days were quite well. On the third day, I was playing in the fields, and at the time I was playing the same time the business meeting was going on, and I was not able to attend that because I was totally forget about that thing. At the night when I reached back home, I saw that I had so many calls made by my father, and I called him and I recalled that I have missed something. So my father was very much harsh with me, and I felt so much sorrowful. From that day till now, I took a lesson that never to make mistakes so much, because because the mistake I made, I thought it's a blunder for me.
So that's
So
fine.
that's a mistake.
Great. You spoke very well. So it's time to talk about the task 3. What can we learn from our mistakes?
Well, mistakes are the medium from which one can learn many things. It helps in nourish one's personality and for the better future. So I think mistakes are very important from where anyone can take the lesson.
Do children make mistakes easily?
Yes, it is very often that kinders make mistakes very oftenly because they are not too much known about their surrounding. So it is obvious that children make mistakes very easily.
Very fine. What should parents do if their children make mistakes?
Well, it is a first responsibility of their parents to maintain a good friendly relation with their young ones so that their young ones do not hesitate in telling their mistakes.
Okay.
So the parents can deal with them very easily.
Fine. Do you think that by doing the mistakes, a person can learn new things?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is very true that a person can learn many new things by doing a mistake. As I have also took a lesson which in the past I had made a mistake, and till now I am doing my work on time. So I think mistakes are best thing to learn.
Thank you so much. This is the end of the test.
Thank you, sir.